So here it is wish. कर सकते हो आप, तो बोलो आंसर इसका.
Sir,
Okay,
the
Krisha.
beggar, the beggar blessed king that he might live long.
Okay, okay, very good, fine, perfect answer. The beggar wished the king, blessed भी लिख सकते हो. Blessed is very much better because here king is blessed by the beggar. That, and as you know that in direct speech we don't write the words in correct order. Okay. अभी आप स्कूल जाते हो और पूछते हैं पेरेंट्स कहाँ जाते हो, तो आप ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू. आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही बोलेंगे स्कूल, और बोलेंगे टू स्कूल. ओके. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आपको पूछेंगे कि हैव यू कंप्लीटेड होमवर्क, तो आप इस तरह से आंसर नहीं देंगे यस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड होमवर्क. आप ऐसे ही आंसर दोगे यस of course. Okay, is तरह से. So in direct speech, words are not in proper order. Sometimes sentences are not written fully. They may be there may be missing of some words. Okay, but in indirect speech, you must have to follow all the rules of sentences. That means the sentence should be in proper order. Here, this is not in proper order. May you live long. You will be written in the beginning. You, that means he. Then he might live long. He might live long. इस तरह से. Okay. Okay. Then, okay. सेकंड एक एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. और we say to our friend on his father's death. On his father's death, may his soul rest in the peace of heaven. Peace of heaven. We say to our friend on his father's death, may his soul rest in the peace of heaven. So you can understand what is the meaning of this wish. Okay. So here said to. Okay. उसका क्या होगा? Wished. Okay. The answer would be like this. We wished our we wished our friend. Here instead of wish कुछ और यूज करें तो अच्छा रहेगा. बोलो क्या अच्छा रहेगा. कोई और वर्ड आपके दिमाग में आता है? Prayed. That is very much better. Okay. We prayed our friend on his father's death that his soul. Okay. And may है उसका पता है आपको क्या होगा. Okay. His soul might rest in the peace of heaven. In the peace of heaven. Okay, we prayed our friend on his father's death that his soul might rest in the peace of heaven. So I hope that it is very much clear. The concept is clear. Today we have studied about optative sentences. Some students have come, entered the class 1 or 2 minutes late. Okay, for them and for you too. Let us revise what we have studied and then we shall go to do our exercise. Optative sentence. This is the fifth type of sentences we are studying after assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and this one is optative sentence. Optative, that means some wishes are included in this these type of sentences. Wishes may include good wishes, bad wishes, कुछ भी wishes हो सकती है. Okay. Supposedly, if wishes are given in one or two words like good morning, happy birthday, in these types of wishes, you have to use reporting word wished. You don't have to use any connective. You don't have to make any changes in word time indicating words. If there is pronouns are given, then it changes you have to convert. You have to do that changes while converting into indirect speech. Okay. So the teacher said to students, the teacher wished the students good morning. So that was first type of sentences. Second types of sentences that was also about wishes, but there are limited types of wishes. Only three types of wishes: congratulations, welcome, and thank you. Here, sentence itself written directly into reporting word, just as congratulated, welcomed, or thanked. You don't have to write sentences or you don't have to make any changes in word and indicating words. Supposedly, if there
Sir,
is given pronoun, then you have to make changes there.
sir,
Yes, Shruti.
sir, if in sentence stay blessed is given, then what will happen? Means second type of rule will apply or first type of rule will apply?
Example though.
Stay blessed. Teacher said to me, stay blessed.
Teacher wished
Like that.
me to stay blessed directly. Stay blessed, that is also wish and that is also one type of imperative sentence. Okay. Here you can write the teacher wished me to stay blessed. इस तरह से.
Other ऐसा हो सकता है teacher blessed me just ऐसा
Yeah,
मतलब सिर्फ
लिख सकते हो, no problem. Directly you can write the teacher blessed me in paragraph. You can write. Okay.
ओके सर हाँ थैंk you.
Okay, fine. Third type of sentences, there is full sentences given. The rules are just same as the rules given in the assertive sentences. But in reporting work, instead of told, you have to use wished, blessed, prayed, cursed, just as the meaning of the sentence. But in 99% sentences, wished would be correct. Even in this example that we have discussed, you can also write wished in place of blessed. Connective, you have to write that, make all the changes related to word, time indicating words or pronouns. And then we discussed two examples. So that is over. Okay. Now let us see the exercise. Okay. So I have the exercise, but that is very much limited, only five sentences. So it is on internet. I have just found out the sentence. First one. My mother said, "May God bless you." My mother said, "May God." You can read it clearly. Otherwise, should I zoom or it's okay?
Sir, we can read.
Okay. First one. My mother said, "May God bless you." Okay. कोई भी स्टूडेंट आंसर दे सकता है, नीचे आंसर्स.
My
ओके.
my mother wished, may God bless you.
ओके, माय मदर विश्ड मी गॉड. रिपीट करो तो आंसर फिर से.
Sir, my mother wished, may God bless you. Sir, वो तो
दैट बोलो, दैट होगा ना उसमें. माय मदर विश्ड मी दैट गॉड माइट ब्लेस मी. इस तरह से. ओके.
sir पर may
सर दैट
God
के बाद नहीं है.
सॉरी. बोलो क्या कंफ्यूजन है.
सर मे गॉड ब्लेस यू भी ऐसे ही नहीं होता है जैसे हम हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलते हैं वैसे भी
नहीं
इसीलिए.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू मैंने वो वही तो समझा है. वो ऐसे इस तरह से ओनली डायरेक्ट स्पीच में आपको अथॉरिटी है, जैसे भी आप. अदरवाइज आप राइटर हो, पोएट हो, देन यू कैन राइट योर ओन सेंटेंसेस. बट इन लिटरेचर, इन ग्रामर, यू हैव टू राइट परफेक्ट सेंटेंसेस. ओके. So in indirect you
ओके.
cannot write may God but God might bless me. Second one, Bharat said to me, may you have a happy journey. Bharat said to
Bharat
me,
wished
okay,
Bharat wished me I, that
that,
I might have a happy journey.
ओके चलो कोई और तरीके से कोई आंसर दे सकता है इसका ओके शी सेड राइट परफेक्ट आंसर बट कोई और आंसर हो सकता है इसका गेस भरत सेड टू मी मे यू हैव अ हैप्पी जर्नी
Bharat wished me to have a happy journey.
यस परफेक्ट दैट इज आल्सो राइट आंसर चलो कोई तीसरा आंसर दे सकता है इसके अलावा भी दैट्स आल्सो राइट आंसर भरत विश्ड मी टू हैव अ हैप्पी जर्नी राइट here you can also write directly. Bharat wished me happy journey. In paragraph you have right to make certain changes. Okay, आप directly भी लिख सकते हो. Bharat wished me happy journey, and you will get 1 mark for this sentence. Third one, the saint said to the woman, "May God bless you with a son." The saint wished the woman that God might bless her with a son. Fourth one, he said, may you succeed in your life, my friend. चलो इसका आंसर बोलो.
He wished his friend that he might succeed in his life.
Okay, that I expected the answer and that I wanted to know where you put this, my friend. Okay, कुछ students भूल जाते हैं that listener is given in the sentence. Okay, he wished his friend that he might succeed in his life. Fine. The old man shouted, go to hell. You know what is the meaning of the
The
sentence? Yes.
first go to hell.
Sorry, repeat the answer, beta.
The old man cursed go to hell.
Okay, the old man cursed to go to hell. To go to आएगा इसमें. Okay, imperative की तरह. Okay. यहाँ optative में लिखा है of course it is wish but the rules will be applied that belong to optative sentence sorry imperative sentence to go to hell. The students said to their teacher, good morning ma'am.
The students wished the teacher that good morning. नहीं, good that नहीं आएगा. Good morning, ma'am.
मैम नहीं लिखना है ओके मैम
Okay.
मैम सर ऐसे कुछ एड्रेस किया है किसी भी वर्ड से ओके देन यू डोंट नीड टू राइट नहीं यू मस्ट नॉट राइट दिस वर्ड्स ओके यहाँ तो सेंटेंस है पैराग्राफ में अगर मैम या सर लिखा है देन यू हैव टू यूज सॉरी यू हैव टू ऐड एक्स्ट्रा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब विथ रिस्पेक्ट ओके. So here in English, generally students understand that whenever there is ma'am, there is a teacher, and whenever there is a sir, it's also a teacher that belong to school profession. But it is not that. Okay. Supposedly you want to give respect to some persons, then you have to use this sir and ma'am. So you have to add extra reporting one paragraph with respect. Okay. Mohan said to Ramesh, "Happy Diwali."
मोहन wi-
Okay, बोलो.
मोहन wished
मोहन विश्ड बाद में हैप्पी दिवाली पूरा हो गया ओके बहुत इजी है मोहन विश्ड रमेश हैप्पी दिवाली इस तरह से 8 1 द हर्मिट सेड मे गॉड मेक द पीपल ऑफ द सिटी लिव हियर हैप्पीली
Hermit wished that God might make the people of that city live there happily.
ओके वेरी फाइन करेक्ट ही सेड मे यू नेवर गेट पीस ओके ऐसे विश तो नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी को ही सेड मे यू नेवर गेट पीस
He cursed you might never get peace.
कनेक्टिव लिखो बेटा सेंटेंस है ना पूरा ही कर्स्ड दैट He cursed that you might never get peace. 10th, the son said, "Sweet dreams, mom."
The
The son
son
wished
wished.
mom.
बोलो बोलो कोई भी बोलो.
The sun
The son wished mom sweet dreams.
ओके, द सन विश द मॉम स्वीट ड्रीम्स. तो ये पहले जो मेथड हमने देखी थी गुड मॉर्निंग वाली, सेम मेथड. ओके, यहाँ पर आंसर है इसके. ओके ओके, सेम है. देखो यहाँ कर्सर लिखा है ना इस तरह से, यहाँ भी कर्सर लिखा है दैट ही माइट गो वेल. सो बस इसमें बहुत ही कम एक्सरसाइज मिलती है. ये भी मुझे after so many surfing on the Google I got this exercise. Okay. सो बस आज का होमवर्क, 10 सेंटेंस प्लस और कुछ लिखना है तो मैं ढूंढ के पीडीएफ बना के भेजू आप लोगों को. इतना इनफ है. कल उत्तरायण है तो आपको उसकी भी प्रिपरेशन भी करनी होगी.
सर इतना चलेगा सर इतना.
सर इतना चलेगा.
हाँ सर.
सर चलेगा. सर चलेगा इतना.
निगम तू ऑलवेज लेट क्यों आता है निगम?
सर मैं लेक्चर में ही था कब से हूँ. तो
नहीं
लेक्चर में
नहीं
ही था.
नहीं नहीं, यू वर नॉट इन द लेक्चर. आई गॉट यू एंट्री एट 2 o'clock and 2 minutes. तुम्हारा
ये
टाइम
सर
भी
दो
यहाँ
दो
रजिस्टर है, मैं तुम्हें स्क्रीनशॉट
सर तो
भेजूंगा.
2 बजे का टाइम था ना इसलिए 2 बजे का टाइम था.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके माइक बंद करो अभी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सो इट वाज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड अभी लेट्स वाले सेंटेंस बाकी